In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your calendar to access your availability, leave, and other features that display on your calendar. To do that, go to the top menu bar and select Calendar. Once you arrive at your calendar, you will be able to see any of the features you have set your calendar up to show. I am going to go ahead and add the availability feature. To do that, click the arrow next to Calendar, and from the drop-down menu, select Options. You can see I have Schedule, Time, Swap Board, and My Leave selected, but not Availability. I'm going to add Availability. And to have that change go into effect, I'm going to hit Submit. Now my availability will show on my calendar. If I look at my calendar and see that my availability is wrong or needs to be adjusted, all I need to do is click on that availability and select Open. The calendar will redirect me to my availability templates so I can make those adjustments as I need them to. Let's say I can no longer work from 9 to 2 on Mondays. Instead, I can work from 10 to 6. So I will go to my available hours and select the arrow. Then I will change it from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now all I have to do is scroll to the bottom and hit Save. And that green Save bar appeared next to the Delete button to show me my page was saved. To go back to my calendar, I will select Teamwork from the menu bar. And from the drop-down menu, I will click Calendar. If you look at my Mondays, they now say from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. instead of the original 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's how you change your availability from your calendar page. If I want to look at a scheduled shift, all I do is click on that blue scheduled shift and select Open. And now I'm redirected to my schedule where I can see the details for that shift. It'll show me the date, the time, the station, and it'll have my name there. Then at the bottom, it'll show the location that I'm scheduled to work at. To go back to the calendar, click on Teamwork in your top menu bar and select Calendar. Now if I click on a green time card and select Open, the time card pop-up menu will display, and if I need to make any adjustments to that time, I can do that here. Let's say that I actually worked all the way to 6. I will click on the clock and select 6. And now my calculated hours have gone from 6.5 to 7. If I scroll to the bottom, I can choose Close if I don't want to save those changes, or Save if I do want to save them. I'll hit Save. And now my green time card has changed from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. The same thing will happen if I want to adjust my leave. I'm going to click on my brown requested vacation day and select Open. A menu will pop up and I can make any adjustments to my leave request that I need to here. I can choose to activate my leave, delete it, cancel, save my changes, or close. I'm going to go ahead and select Close. And that's how you can use your calendar to access any of the features that it displays. You don't have to go all the way up to your top menu bar and go to your templates to get to your availability or to your leave to get to your leave request. You can just click on it straight from your calendar. To learn how to make a leave request, check out the next video.